Ciara Michelle TV. Subscribe and like, please. So jumping straight into this look, I have super thick, kind of coarse, kind of 4C hair, so it literally takes me a moment to just detangle my hair, but it's a process that I'm willing to take so I can have a good end result, as well as just an easy parting and combing process when it comes to a hot comb. So I have learned that there's processes you need to go through when you have 4C hair. If you skip them, you're gonna mess up the end result and you're gonna delay like the process. So let's get into it. Most importantly, with natural hair and with short natural hair, you need to start off by trying to like detangle it. For me, it's always my ends that are so tangled up. So you can use some detangler, but because I'm applying heat, I don't really want to put nothing with water based, I don't want to dampen my hair. So for me, I just have to continue to detangle my ends and just pick through it. So I'm about to part my hair up, and now we're finally going to start pressing through my hair to make it more manageable and straight. So there is no particular way I press out my hair. I'm just simply trying to make it more manageable and more like easily to comb. So do what you do, but I don't like to put too much heat into my hair to where it's super silky and straight. I just need it to be manageable. I just need to get some of those ends straight, and that's about it. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to burn my hair out or anything. I'm telling y'all, natural hair is a process. Styling your hair is a process, but as long as you follow the steps to everything and just take your time, your hair will turn out right. So y'all see, I done detangled it. It's straight now. It's not straight, but it's super straighter than it was, as you can tell. So I'm gonna just keep doing this, and it's probably gonna take another 30 minutes to an hour. So I don't know. I'm just taking my time. I'm not in a rush. I want this hairstyle to look right. So
it's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. I want you around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with and everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. Yeah. I try not to show how I feel about you. You is your way. You don't really want.
I do not recommend using the xpression hair because it tangles way too much. The best hair that I've ever came across with braiding my own hair is called EZ braid, literally EZ braid. It's super easy and simple and tangle free. I don't recommend this because it just was a hassle, and literally I had to do this like 3 times. So if you're struggling, join the club. I had to do this 3 times and take it down and just try to get it more tight and more looking okay. So I feel like I pulled off the look and it's super casual, but it's not like professional or nothing. But if you're just like me and you're just trying to look cute for maybe going to brunch with your friends, going to the grocery store, I don't know, going to church, wherever you're going, this is a super simple look and I feel like anybody can do it. Just take your time. So I left this part out, but as you can see, I did leave some of the hair out when I was braiding my hair so I could wrap it around the rubber band and stuff, so you don't tell, like you can't tell that it's not from my hair. It's super cute and it's a great method of just trying to play everything off. Like I told you, I'm not perfect, I'm not a professional, but it is what it is. Okay, so Lord, now that we finally have this done, we gotta pull the look off with the edges because this is natural hair. It's like, I'm not trying to put like a lot of products on here because I'm not trying to do that with my natural hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and get this edge control. I bought this edge control. It's purple. It says 24-hour hold, 24-hour edge tamer. This is Extreme Edge Tamer by Eben. And I mean, they're cool. Since I've been using them, I don't got a problem. Like, just put a little on my edges. The edge is gonna help everything come together. Okay. Ooh, I think I need a brush.
Security!
This edge control, edge tamer, and we're gonna get my edges together. But I literally need this mirror. There's not much to do, just like so, like that. We done, but you know, we done, but I'm gonna let the professionals stick to this. But this will be a quick little like hairstyle. I'll grab some groceries or whatever. It's super low maintenance, super chill, you know. But my head, it just needs to be more slicked down. But like I said, I don't want to put a bunch of products on my hair. Like the beeswax is cool, that's manageable, I can brush it, and I don't want to wash my hair after this. So I just wanted to be something I could take down, comb through, and do something else to later on this week. So yeah, this is my little quick tutorial. You made it to the end of this video. That's what's up. Go ahead and like it, subscribe, and let's watch another video.